Wax buildup can also take place in your ears, so you want to make sure that your ears are clean and that there's no excessive wax buildup in them. You may need to have them checked occasionally, or you can also get cleaning products over the counter. We have some here. This is ours that we use, a cleaning spray for your ear. And just keep your ear canals clear. We want a clear path down your ear canal to the eardrum. So that's really important for keeping the performance of the hearing aids up, is to keep them clean and dry. Now, if you have excessive wax in your ears, you don't want to use the hearing aids. You want to make sure you get your ears cleaned out first. Also, a couple other things: if you have any active drainage coming out of your ears, you want to have that looked at by a medical professional. If you're experiencing any pain, redness, swelling, you want to stop using the hearing aids for a while, get that checked out, make sure that redness and that pain isn't something else. Also, if you're experiencing any chronic dizziness, that could be an indication of something else, and you want to have that looked into. Or if you've experienced a sudden loss in one or both ears, that is another thing to watch out for, and to have a medical professional take a look at your ears and see what's going on there.